Put your head on my shoulder, hold me in your arms, baby, squeeze me oh so tight.
Disclaimer: if you were under the age of 17, do not click on this video, because this is for adults only. Don't forget to subscribe, and click that bell. Let's get started.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. If today's your first time of seeing my video on YouTube, you are highly welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. And in today's video, I have a beautiful remedy that I'll be using for my eyelashes. This remedy, wow, I will just say wow, it really worked for me, and it grows eyelashes and it makes it very thicker for me, which I would love to show you my eyelashes before I go straight to the remedy. It's a simple remedy, believe me guys, and today's video is going to be straightforward. As you can see, the remedy helped me to grow these lashes. So guys, it's a straightforward thing. You need a sweet almond oil, okay? Hair oil is very good for damage free hair. Very lovely. I got this in Amazon. It's very good. 100%. I give this remedy 100%. So I'll show you guys how I do it. But if I'm going to be using it on my own, I have this, so I normally just, you see guys, I got this also in Amazon. I put one vitamin A capsule there for fast results, and roughly 8 days now. Just let me give it a go. So I saw the video on YouTube. I just said, okay, let me give it a go. So I'm sharing that. So that's what I'll be using now again. So I've just used the opportunity to mix the one I'll be using throughout the week. So you use this part, get it in Amazon. The following day, arrived to my door. Guys, look. 1 teaspoon of sweet almond. This product is beautiful. It's called sweet almond for hair. So this is what I use with vitamin A, with vitamin A capsule, okay? I love vitamin A. I use it for everything, almost everything. I put some of them to my cream. So I'll show you guys how you are going to be applied. You can get this container. Actually, I use this for eggs, but now it's for my lashes. Oh, I'll show you guys. Massage. Voila.